right here, and I'll get back to this trade later in the video. And here is the account that it's trading, fully automated, no manual entries. Everything you're seeing here is real and verified, but I've been trading with robots for a very long time, so I've developed this skill, and there is obviously risk involved. Now, I'll show you some community member trading accounts later in the video, but first, none of this works if you can't set up a robot properly. Step 1, setting up a robot. This is really quick and simple. First, we have to download MetaTrader. You can use any broker you want. I use CoinEx. I'm just in Tools, Trading Terminals, and then I'm clicking on MetaTrader 5 to my desktop. Next, we're just installing MetaTrader. So here it is on my desktop. And here's a trick that I do. I come to Settings, and I always put 1, next. The installation is really quick. It takes almost no resources on your computer. Finish. Then I always pin this to my taskbar. And before moving to the next step, I click on this again. I come to Settings, and I put 2, and I install another version. And sometimes I'll do this 10, even 20 times so that I could run a ton of different tests and pick the one I like best. Next, I'm just going to download the robot. So I come to the members area, scroll down and click download the robot. And last, we have to install the robot. So I've got the file on my desktop. I'm just going to open that up. I installed MetaTrader 5, so I'm just going to go to MetaTrader 5. Then I'm coming into the MetaTrader platform, clicking File, Open Data Folder, going to MQL5, Experts, Advisors, and I'm just going to drag and drop that into this folder. Go back into MetaTrader. I'm going to click Refresh, right-click Refresh in the Navigator, View, Navigator, View, Market Watch. That's going to get you the pairs. And then I could take this robot, I could drag it onto a chart, allow algo trading, plug in my username, accept the terms of service, and I am in business. This robot can now place trades on my account for me. So that's the setup. We're ready to go. But before we jump into step number 2, I want to explain set files because this is where the real edge actually comes from. So let's come back into MetaTrader. I'm going to take the Euro US dollar chart. I'm going to open that up. I'm going to take the robot. I'm going to drag it on the chart. And this time I'm going to click load. You'll see the robot comes with set files in the sets folder. Low frequency or regular. I like regular. And then we have a Euro US dollar set file right here. And when I load this set file, look over here on the left, you'll see that all of these parameters change, which means it's loading a set file that I've personally created, tested, and am running live right now. So this is that exact same Euro US dollar set file tested over 5 years, and the results are incredible, but obviously this is a back test, which is no guarantee of future performance. But if we click right here, I have a forward test where I am actively live trading this exact same strategy. And as you can see here, it is going very well, winning a trade this morning. And this is using the software in a low risk manner where the biggest drawdown I've had is just 2.9%, and I'm aiming for a monthly gain of about 2.5%. This is the same approach that I'm using right here, and it's actually the same set file that I'm using here, but in a much more high-risk way. And using it this way is only for advanced users, because when you get to a 20% drawdown, or in this case here, the same set file for a 33% drawdown, I am taking more risk, understanding that there is a possibility of losing an account, which is always a possibility when you're trading. Now, we also have members using the set files in the Discord every day. This is a trade from this morning. The entry was here, the exit was here. This was on that exact same set file, and it won the trade for Ricky BLN. So shout out to Ricky. And there's a bunch of traders leaving their results. These are all just from this morning. And if I scroll up even further, you can see Infinity, who posted his results, is giving us a Great Britain Pound Europe set file that we can download. And if we want, we can load this exact set file into our trading account. Shout out to Infinity. Now, I'm going to jump back into that live trade soon, but we really have to get into step 2, which is so important for robot success, and that's understanding the strategy. Let's come back into MetaTrader. Let's take that robot, put it on the chart again, and this time we could look at the parameters. You can adjust the risk level, I like to use the dynamic risk, and the robot will adjust the stop loss and the take profit automatically using either points, ATR, or stop loss ratio, but most importantly, it's the strategy. And this is all about opening ranges. Now you can set if you want to trade the opening range from Asian, European, London, American, New York Stock Exchange Open, or even your own custom range. And then there's a bunch of different entry modes like breakout, instant breakout, retrace, instant retrace, or probably what you're most familiar with is the retest range in the same direction. Let me show you. So for this example, price is setting the top and bottom of the range, as you can see right here. And the robot does this exact thing for you. And this becomes our trading range for this trading session. And with the retest range in the same direction strategy, we'll be waiting for price to break and close outside the top of that range, just like it did right there, and then retest the top of the range like it did right there to get into a trading position just like this one. And the robot will see that and it will enter that based upon the settings, and then ideally price will go in your direction and smash the take profit. Now, maybe that seems too simple, there's not enough filters. That's when you can scroll down here and come to the filters. Maybe you want an EMA. So with the EMA here activated, the robot will only place buy trades if price is above that EMA, which in this case it was. Or maybe you only want to take trades where there's support or resistance levels. Then you would set this to true. Then the robot will only look to take trades at levels of support and resistance. This level was used as resistance here and is being used as support here, so this would have still provided a winning trade opportunity. But maybe that's not enough and you're really worried about news. Well, then you could set a news source, maybe MQL5 or forexfactory.com, and then you could say, hey, I'm going to avoid high impact news 60 minutes before and 60 minutes after an event. So if President Trump is speaking and you don't want to trade when President Trump speaks, and I certainly don't, you'd use that filter. And then if Trump happens to be speaking at this level right then, you won't get the trade, but you can avoid the volatility, which is really important because with my trading robots, I'm always trying to trade low volatility. Now, why don't we go ahead and load one of the most popular set files here? And if we go down to the entry mode, you can see this is trading the American session and using the instant retrace entry mode. And this is another trade it took recently, just yesterday. So let's go ahead and take a look. It created the trading range, and then what happened? Price comes down right here to our instant retrace. And on the instant retrace, price is going to use the bottom of this level as support and the top of the range as resistance. So when price came to this support level, it instantly entered the trade and won the position for about 9 pips in about 9 minutes. An awesome scalping trade. And if I go back into the Discord, this was this exact trade that our member had right here. Now, I'm going to get back into that live trade and show you the final step, which is the most important, setting proper goals. Now, before we get into that final step, let's rejoin the live trade here. You see, we're very close to closing this thing out in profit. There it goes, a perfect sell trading position with the robot, but none of this is possible without understanding goals and risk. We've covered the setup, the execution handles itself. It's all about the risk. Is it safe? Yes, we can proceed. Is it safe? No, we have to adjust the settings again. If the risk is not safe, you can end up with an account blowing, looking just like this. And this screenshot is from a real member from the Discord. It's a demo account, but he was brand new. He didn't know what he was doing. And this is the exact same trade where this guy blew his account. So what did he do? Well, we had the setting right here, right? We set the range got set, price retraced, it entered on the retrace, right? So one sell position right here. Then as the price came up right here, we had another sell position, another sell position, and another sell position, as the robot is using grid and increasing the lot size in order to make a profit on this position. And then as the trade retraces, it adjusts the take profit for the client, and right there, it wins the trading position. This trade ended up, on my account, I gained 201.44. The first position was a loss, the second position was a loss, right? So this lost, and then this one and this one ended up winning. But that new member was risking so much, he lost his whole demo account on what happened to be just like a 30 pip move. I'm sure Trump had something to do with that one, and this is why understanding risk is incredibly important. You have a lower risk account right here, and then I have a higher risk account right here. Now, if we scroll over here to a back test, you can see you have these drawdowns, and these drawdowns look very small, and they are relatively small if the risk is low, but a drawdown like this one right here on this account could crash it because it's very high risk. That same drawdown on this account would likely be just something around 6 to 7%, and then it would be able to recover and continue going up. So it's important to understand your goals and your time horizon. If you're going to go high risk like this account, you should pull profits at some point. Whereas this lower risk account, you can hold for a longer period of time with less risk. Now, if you want to learn more about the robot, I'll leave a link in the video description to the Discord. You can talk to other users, download their settings, do whatever you want to do. Now, obviously, trading is always risky, so trade safe. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, maybe watch this video right here. Definitely watch this video right here. I'll be back next week. Much love.